Hey, what's up everyone? JD the camera guy here. Right now I'm filming one of my first ever YouTube videos on this channel. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over photography, videography, kind of anything to do with camera products. If any of that stuff interests you, make sure to subscribe, as well as if you end up liking this video, make sure to like and leave a comment. That way YouTube knows to show you more videos like this one. Today what I'm going to be going over is I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review for the Sony 16-35mm lens I just picked up. This is a G Master. It's a super nice lens, really good for landscape photography, real estate photography, even vlogging. Especially with the 35mm, gives you a really good look. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing right now. So I'm going to get into unboxing this. I'll also talk a little bit about why I kind of got this, what kind of my game plan is overall with this. And some things along those lines. So, first thing off, I didn't know this, it actually comes in a nice, like a lens bag, which is very cool. And then I think it just has some setup stuff for all of that. I don't think I really need any of that. I don't think there's anything else that ends up coming in here. I think that's honestly it, which is super easy. Honestly, I didn't expect the unboxing to be that quick. But what I'm going to be basically using this for is some videography, some vlogging, also as well as making videos, like I said, landscape photography, as well as some real estate photography. I do have a couple people in the area who do know photography or who own real estate, so I might be doing some shoots and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be opening this bad boy up here. I really like this case this comes in. This thing is super nice. I like how it's set up. And it's got nice little, just pulls down just like that. And then inside here is the lens. It looks like there's some stuff in here as well. This kind of looks like maybe like a carry, something you'd like carry it with. Something along those lines. I'll open that up in just a minute here. This looks like the lens hood. Good to know. I personally don't really use any of those, but actually, well, I'm technically using it on the lens that I use right now, but I don't use it super often, I guess, with other lenses, but I guess I'll have to start using it a lot more. Now I'm going to open this bad boy up. Here's this beauty. This thing looks beautiful. I'm going to try to bring it in, see if it'll focus on that or not. If it doesn't end up focusing, I'll just end up cutting that out. But this thing's super nice. I believe retail right now goes for about $2,000 or so, $2,100 with tax, somewhere in that range there. So I'm going to take out this lens hood. I'm not sure exactly if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. It's a lens hood. So it'll probably be better if I went this way. I believe I have to take some more stuff off here first before I get that on. Unless I just have to, oh, never mind. I don't have to do that. I do it like that. So there we go. That's it with the hood there attached. And then let's check out this strap here as well. And we'll see what this looks like. And exactly see what it's for. But it definitely looks like it's for the lens itself. So let me look into this, or let me look at it at least. Yeah, it looks like it's for this. I'm not sure exactly where, but I don't know. Maybe they just think, oh, wait a minute, what am I talking about? For this. Duh. So yeah, this little strap here is for this. So that way when you have it on the go and stuff like that. I'm going to eventually end up getting just a camera bag. So that's or a camera backpack. Right now I just have a small camera bag, but I'm going to end up getting a camera backpack, and that'll have all that stuff in it. But for now, I'm going to be doing this. Or I'll use this while bringing it along elsewhere. So, alright, perfect. Well, yeah, that's the whole unboxing for it as well. It comes in a very nice clean setup as well. I didn't know it had a camera bag in it as well. So I'm going to be going out testing this. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be transitioning over to using this lens a little bit. I'm going to show a couple pictures and stuff like that. As well, I'm going to show off a little bit of video while I'm out and about. So I'll be hopping into that right now. What's up everyone, JD the camera guy back here. I am now outside of my apartment complex. I've been shooting around a little bit with this thing and I gotta say I really love it. It's super cool, especially I like the lens and how it's able to get really nice close-ups of stuff. I kind of have some photos and some video stuff done. So while just taking a look around here, I've got the 16mm right now pulled up, just showing you a little bit of how it looks here. I'll also switch over to the 35mm all the way back over. Those are going to be the main two I'm going to be using this one with, is the 35 and the 16. Sometimes I'll switch over as well. I'm not sure how well on the 35 you can see me. I guess it's kind of a test here, seeing how well you can see me on the 35mm as well. Let me check here, give me a second. So this is the 16. This is the 16 right here. Then I'm switching over right now. This is at the 24mm. This might even be one that I use pretty frequently. Let's take a look around here. The 24mm looks pretty good outside here. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna switch over. I took some pictures, took some videos and stuff like that. So I'm gonna switch over to some of that stuff right now.
When you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good faith. She hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty. She just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese. I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer.
Alrighty, what is up everybody? JD the camera guy here. We're back from being outside doing a little bit of filming, going over the Sony 16-35mm. Now I just kind of wanted to go over a little bit of the specs, a little bit of the details of this Sony lens. Now obviously it's a 16-35mm G Master lens. As well, it's got an f2.8 to f22, which is super good for low light shooting, as well as honestly kind of any light shooting. You can end up taking some really cool like night pictures and stuff like that as well. As I had mentioned, you can also use this for vlogging. You can also use this for like real estate pictures, landscape pictures, and include night photography in there as well. As well, it's actually got a really cool coating on the lens itself, which actually helps reduce a lot of lens glare and stuff like that when you're out taking some of those pictures. As you could probably tell from a couple of the pictures that I had taken, some of them actually turned out super cool, as well as the video that I did. Overall, I really like how this lens looks. In terms of a lot of circumstances, I think this might not be your overall main lens you would use, but I mean, this definitely is a good lens to have in your, or on your shelf, in your lens department, whatever you want to call it. I definitely think this is a good one to have on deck. I'm really excited that I got it. I'm super excited to do some cool night photography and landscapes with this one. Also, another thing about this one is it's pretty relatively lightweight. It's about 1.5 pounds or so, somewhere along those lines. So it makes holding the camera super lightweight, which is definitely a good thing when having camera gear. That is all I really have to talk about on this lens. I definitely, if you have a little bit of a budget to spend and you're looking to really level up, maybe you're using something like Tamron's lens, or you're using like a Zeiss, something along those lines, this would be a great level up step. From either of those lenses. This is currently filmed on a Tamron 28 to 75mm, and it's subtle differences that I noticed with this lens. Obviously a big thing being in the lens size factor, but even with like the 35mm and like the 28mm, there definitely was some differences that I noticed when it came to overall pixel density, as well as how this lens was picking up color. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment down below, like this video, let me know that you appreciated it, as well letting YouTube to know to show you more videos like this. And as well, if you enjoyed it, make sure to click that subscribe button. And I appreciate everyone for watching this video, taking a little time out of your day to watch. I'll see you again next time. Peace.